أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My dear students, my dear viewers, my dear subscribers and friends, this is Qari Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Al-Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. Today I am making this video for those who want to teach the Holy Quran all over the world in English. So this video would be very useful for them. In this video I will brief you how can you teach these words with the tajweed rules. So listen, be carefully till to end this video. This is wa, zabar, wa, because waw has a zabar over there, and this is the lam ze li. It is the beginning shape of a lam, and this is the ism jalalat. We will read this ism jalalat with the tarqiq. What is the meaning of tarqiq? You will read softly and delicately this word li, la. This lam ze li connect with the lam shadda with the standing zabar for with the extra stress. Lil, la. Listen, be carefully. Listen, be carefully. You make pause a moment on a lam. Lil, la. You will read this lam with the extra stress. Lil, la. This is the hazir he. Walillahi. And this hazir he connect with the lam sakina. This is the hamzatul wasl, and lam has a jazm sign over there, and the lam is a motionless letter. We call it motionless letter, sakina letter, due to jazm sign. And this jazm sign mean the previous letter, this hazir he, directly connect with the lam, because the jazm sign mean a link sign, connecting sign, and joining sign. So the previous letter hazir he directly connected with the lam. After connected with the lam, the sound should be produced here. Hil, walillahil. And this is the meme zabar ma. Meme zabar ma. Due to zabar, meme sound become ma. This sound ma connect with the shin. Shin has a jazm sign over there, and after connect with the shin sakina, the sound should be here mash. And this is razir ari. You will read with tarqiq softly, delicately. This razir ri, qaf pesh qu. It is a heavy letter, and there were 7 bold letters, heavy letters, strong letters, hard letters, and with full mouth. We will read them full mouth. So the qaf is one of them. Qaf pesh qu. And now I'm going to read all together these two words. Walillahil mashriqu. Is it clear? Okay, see next one. This waw directly connect with the lam, because lam has a jazm sign. Wal. This is meme zabar ma, connect with the ghain, because the ghain has a jazm sign over there, and this meme zabar ma connect with the ghain. Mag, razir ri, magri. It is a heavy letter, bold letter, haruf musta'aliya letters, right? And this ghain is a haruf musta'aliya letter. Khassa dagtin qiz. Magri. This is the ba pesh bu, and this ba pesh bu. Waqfan. Listen, be carefully. Waqfan. This ba pesh bu. Waqfan. You will read riba. This ba become bouncing letter, calculate letters. Okay, now read all together. Walillahil mashriqu wal maghrib. It is the beginning shape of a fa zabar fa. This is the hamza zabar a, will connect with the ya, because ya has a jazm sign over there, and this is the ya lean letter. And ya lean letters, there were 2 lean letters, ya sakina and waw sakina. When they both have, when there is zabar before both of them, ya sakina and waw sakina, they both become lean letters. So this is the one of them, ya lean. You will read softly this ya. Fa, I, fa, I. This is noon zabar na. It is the middle shape of noon zabar na. This is the mim zabar ma. Mim zabar alif ma. You will stretch a little bit because alif madda here. This is alif madda here. And I told you in previous letter there were three madda letters, alif madda, waw madda and ya madda, right? They were three madda letters, alif, waw and ya. So the alif is one of them, and you will stretch a little bit. Fa, I, nama. This is ta pesh tu, beginning shape of ta. This is the wa zabar wa, will connect with the lam mushadda with the extra stress. Wal lu, wal lu. This is lam pesh waw lu. This lam pesh lu connected with the waw, and this is the waw madda here. To wal lu, to wal lu. Empty letter alif, and you will skip it. You want to read this alif. To wal lu. Fa, thamma. You make gunna here. What is a gunna? To take sound into your nose and pause for a moment, hold for a moment into your nose. It's called a nasalization. So you make gunna here. Fa thamma, fa thamma, waj. While reading waw, your lips should be rounded, rounded. Waj, waj. And this was wa connect with the jim sakina, because jim has jazm sign over there, and this jim become bouncing letter. There were 5 bouncing letters. Bouncing letters 5. Okay. Qutubu jaddin. Qutubu jaddin. Qaf, ta, ba, jim and dal. When they have jazm sign on them, they become qalqala letters, bouncing letter, jumbish letter. Okay, so wajr, wajr, and this is hapesh who will connect with, directly connect with the lam mushadda with the standing zabar with extra stress. Hul, hulla, hulla, wajr, hulla. Okay, read again. Fathamma wajhullah. Okay, this is a waqf mutlaq here. This is the sign of waqf mutlaq here, and it's better to stop there. When you stop at the last letter hazir, he would be changed into ha sakina. And how will you read with waqfan? Fathamma wajhullah. This is hamza zir, e connect with the noon mushadda. You make a gunna here. Innallaha, innallaha. Okay, noon mushadda, and you must make a nasalization gunna on noon mushadda, and this noon mushadda connect with the, directly connect with the lam mushadda with the standing sabar. Innallaha, wa. This is the alif madda here. You will stretch a little bit. Wa, wa zabar alif, wa si, wa si un, wa si un. Okay, this is the tanween and the end of the shape of ain with the tanween, and you make izhar here. Okay. You would read clearly this un sound, okay, because after tanween, throat letter ain is appearing, ain is coming. There were 6 throat letters. There were 6 throat letters, and hamza, ha, ain, ghain, ha, kha. There were 6 throat letters. So the ain is one of them. An, an, wasi'un, alim. You will stretch a little bit because this is the ya madda here, and end of the verse, waqf tam here, and the verse has been completed. So this is the waqf tam here. This is the sign of waqf tam, end of the verse. The Holy Quran verse is completed. MashaAllah. وَلِلَّهِ الْمَشْرِقُ وَالْمَغْرِبُ وَقْفًا وَالْمَغْرِبُ فَأَيْنَمَا تُوَلُّوا فَثَمَّ وَجْهُ اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ وَاسِعٌ عَلِيمٌ وَاسِعٌ عَلِيمٌ. Kindly give comments. Your comment would be produced energy in me and to do the best. May Allah keep you always happy and succeed you in deen, dunya and akhirah. Oh Allah, forgive us and show us the right path which you and your Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, alike. So thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.